Hi everybody, it is Danny, your scrapper on the street, and today is day 27 of load 514, and it is also my last weekday that I will be off for a very long time. So I will be back into the full-time Monday through Friday workforce starting tomorrow. So this is it. This is the last day I could complete my layout in leisure, which worked out because this was a tough one. Today we had to talk about magic we believed in as a kid. So I found this picture of my dad. It's from Christmas time. And my dad used to do these ridiculous card tricks and coin tricks that when we were like really small, we were like, wow, that's cool. But we caught on pretty quick of what the trick was. But even still, even today, my dad will sometimes be like, you want to see my trick? And sometimes we humor him, sometimes we don't. So I used, this is Graphic 45 paper. It's their like Wizard of Oz line. And I used it for two reasons. One, because it has that magic kind of look to it and some magic words and elements throughout. And also, my dad loves the Wizard of Oz. He was in love with Judy Garland when he was a kid. So I thought that was like a nice little tie-in and homage. I used some Heidi Swapp letters for the title, and I added some distress paint with a Heidi Swapp stencil and added some of these stars in there too to kind of just jazz it up a little bit. I also inked the edges to make it look a little more antique-y. And I did some white pen journaling, which you know I love. And there we have it. Day 27, all done and ready to go. And I will see you tomorrow. I will have a layout done. I have tomorrow night is Lane's free scrapping art, which I will be teaching. So if you love food photos, it's not too late to sign up. So you will still get plenty of me even though I'll be working. So stay tuned. It's all very exciting stuff, and I will see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye.